everyone, this is Jama. I'm a part of Sephora Squad. Today I'd like to show you makeup tutorial on this makeup look. I would say this is almost neutral 90s makeup because I'm gonna use mostly matte shadows. I didn't use any glitter or any shimmer, so this is very almost 90s, but it's definitely glamorous because we will use false lashes. I love false lashes. So if you're interested in, let's get started. As you can see, I already finished off camera my complexion because we're gonna focus on eyes, eyebrows, and lips. First, we're gonna do eyebrows. For the eyebrows, we're gonna use Brow Styler from Benefit Cosmetics number 3. First, what I'm gonna do with this spoolie, I'm gonna brush upward my eyebrows. Then I'm gonna draw a line under the eyebrows to define. Then here, I will try to draw upwards, starting from that line. And here I'm going to go back with the spool and I'm going to brush it so it's softer. Then here on the arch, I'm going to brush down and I'm going to define the arch area. Press it a little bit more so it looks more defined. When it comes to tail, make it thinner and fill it in. To avoid boxy eyebrows, I'm gonna brush a little good so it looks softer. Alright, it's time for eyes. For the eyes, I'm gonna use Master Mattes by Makeup by Mario. This is probably my most favorite matte eyeshadows in the world, and they're all neutral and super nice blendable. I've been obsessed since I got this, so this is what we're gonna use. With the brush number 19 by Sephora Collection, it's a blending brush. I will take matte number 4. I will start buffing from outer corner to the crease. Nice transition from the lid to the crease. I love this brush so much. It's easy to blend. I feel like I'm not doing too much effort to blend it out. I feel like this brush doing its own job. This would be my everyday makeup. I just do one shadow on my crease, mascara, and then just go. This usually would be my natural no makeup. Same color I will apply on my lower lash line with number 15 Sephora Collection brush. It's a small brush like this. I'm gonna apply this under my eyes. This color is not too dark, so it's gonna look really nice. Really nice shadow, almost nothing. I used to afraid apply a lot because I would be like, oh my god, it's gonna be too dark. But this color, if you apply just a little bit more extra, the worst case scenario, it becomes smoky eyes and you can always wipe off. But don't be afraid to apply something like this under your lash line. It's just beautiful, makes the eye very defined. So the next one with the same blending brush, I'm gonna apply the darker color, which is this one. It's more like a warm matte color, and I can mix with this a little bit. And then same thing, I'm gonna apply from outer corner to inner corner, buffing it. I'm trying to create this deeper color, but not as harsh, because later we're gonna do cut crease, and then when we're gonna do cut crease, this color will almost disappear, but we're gonna have really nice blended line almost. That's why I like to do a little bit more here. Flat brush number 14 from Sephora Collection. So I will take this nice matte creamy color. I will apply this on the edges to make sure it's soft and nice. So if you did a mistake and it looks a little bit blotchy, so you can blend it away, and this creamy color, it fixes everything. Look at that. Now I'm gonna do cut crease. I used to do cut crease with my concealer and go back and forth, but you know, lately I realized all you need is just really perfect pigmented white color, and Makeup by Mario palette has this one, and I love this and obsessed with it. It's almost like a creamy matte shadow. Would you believe it? So I'm gonna apply this on inner corner, and I'm gonna try to cut crease, so basically highlight the inner corner. This is how we're gonna do. Press it like this, go this way and draw like this. Yeah, see? It's almost like a concealer, but just a shadow. This, and blend back the browns. So next, what I like to do, go back with my dark brown color like this and apply this on the lash line, but on the upper side. And the same color I will apply under my eyes, on my under lash line, just to support this color. As you can see, I'm applying only outer corner, but not all the way. So next, I will apply It's an After Party Patrick Ta collaboration with House of Lashes. This is probably my favorite lashes right now. I'm using Sephora Collection lash glue. I'm almost done with my eyes. As you can see, the lashes kind of gave a little bit of volume and heaviness on my eyes, and it kind of feels like too fake. And to make sure that it's more natural, at least to support my lashes, I'm gonna go to my small brush and I will apply brown color, which we did on the crease, a little bit under my lash line. Next, we're gonna do my lips. For the lips, I'm gonna use the lip liner first to define my lips, and I'm gonna use Anywhere Caffeine color. First, what you're gonna do, you wanna draw Cupid bow, and I like to overdraw so you can see it. Like this, and then starting from with the corners, I'm gonna draw up to make it a little bit more pouty and a little bit bigger. For the lipstick, I use Huda Beauty Interview. This is really nice matte color. That's where I think I like it. So basically, you can use Huda Beauty just by itself like this, or add some lip gloss. This is it. This is the final look. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please thumbs up for this video and comment below. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!